Question 12 says that 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? So this is a statement that might seem slightly complicated when you read it at first, but it's actually quite simple to translate this statement into a mathematical equation. We just have to analyze each part of the statement carefully. So the statement says 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. And what is Ravi's present age? So the unknown is Ravi's present age. So let's start by assuming that to be some variable. So assume that Ravi's present age, take it to be any variable. So let's take Ravi's present age to be X years. Now, what will be Ravi's age 15 years from now? So if today his age is X years, then 15 years later his age will be X plus 15 years. So 15 years from now or 15 years later, Ravi's age can be written in terms of X as X plus 15 years. Alright, and we are now told that 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. So 15 years later his age is X plus 15. This will be 4 times his present age, which is X. So using this, we can now translate this into an equation. So 15 years later his age is X plus 15, and this will be 4 times his present age, or 4 into X. Okay, so we have done the hard part, which is to translate the word problem, the statement, into this equation. And now all we need to do is solve this equation and find the value of X. To do that, we observe that we have the variable X on both sides of the equation. So let's group it together on one side. So to do that, let's subtract X from both sides of this equation. So we have X plus 15, the original LHS, and we have 4X on the right hand side. So from both sides, let's subtract X, and this means that on the left hand side, these X terms will cancel out, and we will have 15 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we will have 4X minus X, which is equal to 3X. So 3X is equal to 15, and now let's divide both sides of the equation by 3. So we will get 15 by 3 is equal to X, and 15 by 3 is equal to 5. So we get the value of X as 5. So this means that Ravi's present age, which we assumed as X years, so his present age is 5 years, and we can verify that this answer is correct because 15 years later his age will be 20 years, and 20 is 4 times 5. So the answer to the question is that Ravi's present age is 5 years, and this completes question number 12. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.